Hello, my name is Robert Decker, and I will be your Client Services Manager for SupplySide Global. The target floor plans for the event help you know when you should arrive on show site and can be found within the Move In and Out Information and Target Floor Plan tab. First, determine if you are in Bayside A through F or Shoreline. If you are familiar with the event, Bayside is where the show floor has been in the past, and Shoreline is an escalator ride upstairs. You'll be prompted to download them, and I've opened them up for ease for this demonstration. The maps are color-coded, so you will just need to find your booth number and match it to the color key in the bottom left of the Bayside map or the top left of the Shoreline map. For instance, booth 3931 is highlighted in purple, so they are allowed to start moving in on Sunday after 1 p.m. per the key. If you attempt to enter the show floor before your target move-in time, your freight will likely not be delivered to your booth quite yet. You can move in as early as your target move-in time and as late as just before the show opens. If you have a specific reason for moving in earlier than your target time, you can go back to the kit, and under that move in and move out section, you can find the target change request form. Just make sure to get that in before October 6th and include your reason for needing that extra time. If you have any questions surrounding the target floor plan, please feel free to reach out to the client services team at supply-side.custserve@informa.com or call 800-927-5007. Thank you.